This is the Batangas Series Part 1. So we're going up na. So, dito sa baba, makikita nyo may mga furnitures dito kasi business din nila na may-ari ng Solano is furniture talaga since then, bago pa ang Solano Hotel. Usually sir, gaano kadalas or gaano kadami yung pupuntang guests dito everyday?
So most of the time, minsan napupuno talaga. And then, minsan more than half of the rooms are occupied. So maganda yung occupancy natin. Especially ngayon na nakikilala na yung Solano. Meron sa restaurants din natin, yung food, binabalik-balikan. So very agreeable and maganda yung performance ng hotel.
Performance of hotel. Referral, para mai-refer mo talaga. Actually dito sa mga gusto ko kay MJ. Walang video si MJ. So dito makikita natin iba't ibang furnitures, merong sofa, merong tables. Is tingnan nyo naman, grabe. Guys, lapit mo. Louis Vuitton upuan. Grabe. Ito, tama ko Louis Vuitton talaga ba? So yun. Kaya sa Divisoria lang ako nakakita ng dito ka. So dito iba't ibang furniture. So kung kailangan nyo ng furniture, ayan, dito lang kayo bumili all-in-one na. So, ayan. So, Binibigyan naman na juice. Tasyo ko nga. So, dito tayo sa third floor na ground room. So, nandito kasi yung mga deluxe room. Nandito din sa third floor yung restaurant natin. Yan, kita ba? Napaka-sosyal, no? See? Wow. Okay. Welcome to Solano Hotel. Part na to, andito yung restaurant, yung Paul Restaurant, no? So pinangalan siya sa anak ni Sir Charles na may-ari ng hotel na to, no? So tara, tingnan natin. So today, kasama natin ang head chef ng Paul Restaurant, ano? So si Chef
Rene.
Ayan, si Chef Rene. Ayan. Sir, ano po yung mga talagang pinagmamalaki ng Paul Restaurant na mga food?
Well, so far sa crispy pata, sisig, grilled salmon, and then chicken roulade.
Ano sir, sorry, ano po yung chicken roulade?
Sa chicken breast na may filling siya sa loob. And then ang sauce niya is spicy na may coconut milk.
Parehas paborito ko, no? Chicken breast, mataas sa protein, and then coconut milk. Spicy pa! No? So, ayun. Thank you so much po, and ano po yung masasabi niyo po sa mga guests to come here po sa restaurant po ni Paul Restaurant?
They just come here to try our food. So, and then ma-try nila yung different varieties. Saka sila mag-comment
After po nila matikman. Yeah, so you should try guys dito. And ayun, thank you so much Chef Rene. So, I think we're good and see you here guys. Good morning, nandito nga tayo sa restaurant today. Tatanungin natin si Ma'am Freya. So ano po yung mga ino-offer natin?
Bali, for today, ang breakfast natin ngayon dahil linggo, weekends, we have Lomi Station for only for Sunday and Saturday, sir. Then also we have Egg Station for Sunday and Saturday only. Then our main dish for today is Tapang Taal po, one of the best breakfast here in the morning. And one tuna, nuggets, also salted egg, scrambled,
And garlic
garlic rice, and steamed rice.
Okay, so bali yung lomi ay ikaw yung magsasandok, ikaw din yung maglalagay ng mga toppings.
Yes, sir. Made your own lomi.
Made your own lomi. So may experience yun dito kung pumunta kayo. Kayo mismo gagawa ng lomi niya.
Yes.
Ang Batangas kasi di ba usually sikat sa lomi talaga.
And also the coffee, sir.
And also the coffee, Kaping Barako. So this is not just an egg. This is executive egg. Joke. And kasama natin today si Miss Mikey. Okay. Okay, Miss Mikey, kamusta naman po ang Solano Hotel?
So far, Solano Hotel is, I think, is going well, very well. Since we started, we are still trying to let the guests, especially the locals here in Lipa City, to know more about the hotel so far.
Okay. Can you tell us something about the history or background ni Solano Hotel?
For Solano Hotel, so far, the hotel is operating for almost 2 years. Actually, we're turning 2 years this coming November. So we started last 2021 November as well. So we had our grand opening during that time, and then this is actually part of the furniture, part of the Silpol Choice Furniture, which is also our sister company. For the halls that we have here, we have our grand ballroom. So the grand ballroom can actually accommodate up to 350 to 400 persons, depende sa magiging setup ng event. So that's located on the 5th floor. So the entire 5th floor is of the grand ballroom.
Okay, wow. So, kumpleto na, no? Actually, we had this pageant prior to MIPH, Mr. International Philippines Batangas, doon siya ginanap. So, imagine, no? So, very high-end talaga.
Yes, we're very proud to cater that event since we cannot deny na malaking event siya. So, fortunately, nakaya ng Solano Hotel even though we're still new in the industry. So, thank you din sa Mr. International Batangas.
Yeah.
Right now, we have amenities such as the spa. So all of our in-house guests actually have the free access on those amenities. So we have the spa, the sauna, and then the kids' playroom, of course, for the kids because we are also catering a lot of families or groups. And then aside from that, as I have mentioned a while ago, yung mga dining outlets namin. And of course, one of the features din ng hotel is our roof deck sa 6th floor. So we have a great view on the view deck. So most of the time we use it for photo shoots, especially for weddings and other social events.
Yung roof deck ba na ito is open for anytime?
Yes, actually the roof deck is always open. We just required or request our guests or clients to at least advise us beforehand or before visiting the roof deck so we can assist them properly.
Okay, yun. Sobrang ganda doon, to be honest. Like, the sunset.
Meron kang view ng Mount Malarayat.
Yes. Mount Malarayat and the whole Lipa.
Yes, yes.
Whole town ng Lipa. So yan, naman, ano po yung iba't ibang categories ng rooms?
Actually, for the main hotel, aside from Solano Residences, here in the main hotel, we have 4 room categories. So those 4 categories are superior room. So for the superior room, you have a choice between superior double room and superior king room. So the only difference between the two is the bed configuration. And then for the next one, the next category that we have is the deluxe room. So for the deluxe rooms, you only have 2 beds inside. So 2 double beds siya. And then for the next one, we have the suite rooms. So for the suite room, as you have mentioned kanina, yung one of the rooms you have stayed already.
Yeah, doon kami nakastay actually.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Yes, of course.
Akala ko yun na yung executive, hindi pa pala.
Yeah, so the only thing or the only difference between the suite and the executive suite is that the executive suite has the bathtub.
Bathtub. Oo,
Yes. So-
parang walang bathtub dun sa suite na.
Sorry, hindi kayo nakagacha.
Okay lang. Meron namang kami dalang planggan. Joke.
Sige, pwede naman doon kasi maluag ang suite room. But you already have a free access to those. But for the spa, right now, we only cater full body massages. So for a full body massage, that's going to be an additional payment
Additional
or additional fee, which is already or only for 1,000. So for 1,000, you're going to have a whole body massage already, and of course, spa treatment for that fee.
Doon naman po sa sauna.
For the sauna, it's unlimited actually. So as long as you want to try it, just let our front office associate to try or to advise them that you're going to use it, and then yun naman is pwede kang mag self-control. So meron namang mga manuals doon or mga controls na pwedeng ikaw na mismo yung mag-control ng heat, depende sa magiging gusto mo.
Dati pawis na pawis ako and very satisfying after kasi I used to work out, I used to go to gym, pero yung pawis na nakaupo ka lang, para sa mga hindi mahilig mag-workout, you can do sauna
Yes,
for
that's
relaxation.
actually one of the best ways to really access the
Opo. The gastric juices. Oh, science yarn. So, part na to, nandito yung sauna, no? So, actually, dapat naka-bathtub towel kayo dito, then kayo na yung gagalaw. Pwede rin naman kayo magpa-assist, no? Pero nung tinry ko to, kami lang, na-enjoy namin. Sobra. So, andito lahat ng pindutan. So, if you want to turn it on, ito. Ayan. And kung gusto mo patayin na, andyan na din. So, wow! So, welcome to outer space. Sige, patayin na natin. Oh, grabe. Ibig sabihin, umiinit na. So, patayin na natin. Yeah, patay na siguro siya. Parang, yeah, patay na siya. Thank you. And then, about naman sa gym.
Yes, for the gym. So, actually, for the gym, that's also part of our amenities here in the hotel. So, you already have a free access to that once you're checked in with us. So, we have like enough tools and equipments in the gym right now. So, basically, you can also visit the gym anytime that you want.
Okay,
So,
para ito sa mga guests na parang hindi na pumunta sa ibang places pa, no?
yes, of
para
course.
mag-workout.
So we really put or came up with that idea as
Ay.
well kasi we want our guests to be to promote fitness and
physical
healthy.
fitness,
Yes.
Tawag dito? Yeah, treadmill. Yeah. So this is high-end, I think. Ang sarap niyang gamitin. So we have bicycles dito. And then dito sa part na to, yan, I think quality din lahat ng gym equipments for barbells. To be honest, prior to MAPH Batangas, Mr. International Philippines Batangas, nag-stay kami dito for, I think, 4 days ba?
Yes. Actually, almost for a week.
For a week, dito sa Solano Hotel. And doon kami nag-gym.
Yes.
Sa gym nila. So, ayun, happy kami
Kamusta
doon.
naman yung experience?
Oo,
doon?
sobrang solid, syempre. Kasi meron pa siyang kasamang playground, tama?
Yes.
Sige.
Pwede kayo maglaro.
Kaso hindi kami naglalaro.
So,
Nag-slide kami doon. Yes. And parang as far as I know, na si Silpol Joyce ang pinakamalaking distributor sa TV channels.
Yes, of course. We have, I believe, we already have catered a lot of mga shows, especially during sa PBB.
Yes.
When PBB is actually really active, before, I think Silpol Choice is already part of it, the show. So yung mga nakikita nyo mostly sa mga confession rooms, sa mga rooms nila actually, I think one time, Silpol Choice already catered yung lahat ng interior or lahat ng furniture sa PBB house. I think, hindi ko lang sure kung anong season yun, but they already did it.
Yes, and I think a lot of shows, no? Gandang Gabi Vice, etc.
Yes,
Ang dami. So, you should visit Silpol Joys. So, ayun guys, you should visit Silpol Joys and sobrang ma-amaze kayo about, not just about the furniture itself, but the story, kung paano na-build itong Solano Hotel.
Yes,
No.
of course. And of course, yung mga gamit sa Silpol is very quality talaga. Quality because aside from the locals here in Lipa City, many artists na aware ka naman doon sa mga actress,
Yes,
sa
yes.
mga artista na
Diba?
talagang nakapag-provide ng Silpol Choice ng mga furniture sa kanilang mga home.
Ito tayo ngayon sa pinaka furniture nila, mga table, mga chairs, mga dining table. Mga lahat ng dito sa side na to is mga imported or galing sa ibang bansa na mga manufactured. So makikita nyo naman, grabe, hindi talaga siya pantipikal na pambahay lang, no? Yeah. Grabe. Masarap siyang upuan. Masarap siyang upuan. At the same time, hindi lang ito yung design na meron tayo. Imagine tingin itong ilaw na to. So, dito tayo sa Louis Vuitton na table. Ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. Itong Louis Vuitton na to, pag hinawakan mo siya, 10 pesos ang isa. Charot lang. So, ayan. Andito lahat ng side ng mga manufactured galing sa ibang bansa. And dito naman sa side na to, lahat ng manufactured sa Pilipinas. Okay, dito tayo sa part ng Uratex foam, which is, I think, accredited si Silpol Joys na magbenta ng mga foams ng Uratex. So, ang Uratex ay isa sa pinakamatibay na brand ng foam. So, ayan. Sabi nga dito, most trusted. Most trusted. Okay? Kung gusto nyo maghanap ng foams, pwede rin dito. So, grabe, natutuwa ako kasi pag pumunta kayo dito sa Solano Hotel, andito na lahat. Gym, restaurant, massage, meron ding event center, then you have this furnitures place na pwede kayo mag-shopping, then malapit pa sa SM Lipa. So, saan pa kayo, di ba? So, ayan, andito lahat ng foams, and then meron din tayong, ang tawag dito, ma'am?
Massage chair.
Pabili po ako dalawa.
Anong kulay here?
Joke lang. Ano po yung address nitong Solano?
We are located here in General Luna Avenue, Sabang, or Barangay Sabang, Lipa City, Batangas.
Yes, and very near to
SM. So one of the nearest spots is yung sa SM. SM.
Yes, so napakalapit din. And thank you so much for accepting our offer na may interview ka.
Thank
no?
you. Solano Hotel is now open for everyone. So may it be for room accommodations, dining accommodations, and of course for your corporate and social events, you may contact us anytime. And we are open for the dining outlets. We are open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. So come and join us, and especially during weekends, during Saturday for our live bands.
Wow, ayun, thank you so much, Miss Mikey. Napakarami pang plans ng Solano
Yes.
Hotel. So we have something to look forward.
Yes,
no?
we still have a lot of things lined up already for the hotel. So hopefully, ambassador ka pa rin namin and you're still
Yes.
supporting.
And Solano is very close to my heart, to be honest.
Thank you.
Ayun, thank you so much and see you here at Solano Hotel.
Thank you.
Makikita niyo yung Mount Malarayat at this side, no? So, napakaganda ng view. And makikita niyo actually buong Lipa. Yun yung SM Lipa, no? So, sa mga gusto pumunta dito, malapit lang po ang mall natin. Then, yan. Maganda dito, sobra. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa pagpunta dito sa Solano Hotel. And I encourage everyone to go here at kayo mismo ang maka-experience ng hotel na ito because napakaraming nai-offer nito ng mga amenities, the service and all is quality talaga. So, marami pa tayong pagsasamahan. Samahan niyo pa ako sa mga susunod nating pupuntahan. So, Solano Hotel, G ako dyan. Human draw dyan.